Genetic inheritance. What is genetic inheritance? Genetic inheritance is the passing of traits from parents to their offspring. Let's start with some important vocabulary. Genotype. A unique sequence of DNA. A genotype refers to the two alleles an organism has inherited for a particular gene. Alleles can be recessive or dominant. More on this in a moment. Phenotype. An observable trait. Phenotype is a result of the expression of one or more genes. For example, a phenotype could be brown hair, AB blood type or blue eye color. Dominant. Only one allele is needed for the trait to be expressed. Recessive. Two alleles are needed for the trait to be expressed. There are four main types of genetic inheritance: dominant, recessive, codominance, incomplete dominance. Dominant. White with brown spots is a dominant trait. If the cow has one or two dominant alleles, it will be white with brown spots. Recessive. All white is a recessive trait. If the cow has two recessive alleles, it will be all white in color. Codominance. Both alleles of a gene are distinctly expressed. Red and white show codominance. If a plant has both a recessive and dominant gene, it will be red with white spots. Incomplete dominance. Both alleles are partially expressed in an intermediate phenotype. The color pink shows incomplete dominance. If a plant has both a recessive and dominant gene, it will be a mix of red and white, pink.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.